Hi folks, today it's not about a review video, it's about a DIY series. So we are going to talk about and do how to do a clutch replacement on the Interceptor 650 as well as on the Royal Enfield vehicles, which is a common process throughout. So let's get started. So before getting started, I hope you can give me a like and subscribe so I can get you these kind of videos always. So guys, for today's DIY series, these are the tools you require. That's a 12 and 13 size spanners, basically to release and fit back the inner lock nut and outer lock nut on the clutch cable. And then as part of the consumables, you require a WD-40 to clean this part of the lever because it contains dust and other things when we ride through city and on our long rides. So let's get started. So guys, the step one is, you see this particular lock, right? You have to get this towards the clutch lever and ensure that this particular point, right, it aligns with the space here. So once it's done like that, you can remove the clutch cable from its slot once we release the nut there. So now I'm going to clean this part with the WD-40. You can see there is dirt all over the place. So let it settle down for a while and then we'll clean it with the cloth. So guys, your step 2 is to release these holders. There is one here and at the bottom. So I'll show you how to release it. You have to just push it like this and pull. It's a bit of a task, but okay, can be done. So this is what, and keep it safe so that the clutch cable holds on to the chassis. So guys, the first step is to release the lock nut a bit and then loosen out your outer nut. Okay, once it is loosened, just manually do it with your hand, and then this is your actuator, right? So just push it to the front and snap out the cable like this. See, it's done. So guys, once you have removed the actuator, the cable from the actuator, you got to remove this nut completely from here and then remove the clutch cable by releasing it at the lever at the top too. So I'm going to remove it from here now. Okay, this part is done. Let's go to the front. So guys, this is the reason why I told this has to be in par with the space, so that you can just bring out the cable like this and then pull it out. So now that we have removed the clutch cable from the lever, just pull it out like this so you can observe that. We have successfully removed the cable. It's time to fit the new one right now. So guys, we are going to fit the new cable. I've already snapped it inside that spot. Okay, now bring it like this. So guys, you have to remove this rubber beading first to pull out this particular screw, the nut, and then bring your cable this way around. Okay, snap it like this in. Sort out your adjustment according to the way you want. So I am going to keep it to my level of adjustment right now. So after placing it in properly, place the nut you had removed, send it back in. Okay, don't tight it now, tight it once you look at the adjustment. So before putting that in, push your particular dust holder or the bush that you see here, and then snap your clutch cable. So once snapped in, do the adjustment required here, guys, and the process is over. Thank you for watching, guys. This is how you change the clutch cable on your bike. Do it right away and let me know in the comment section how did it go. Bye.